Mastering quantifiers. Many, much, few, and little. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve into an often tricky area of English language learning. The usage of quantifiers, many, much, few, and little. These words can be confusing, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to use them correctly. Before we start with the exercises, let's briefly recall the basic rules. Many and few are used with countable nouns. For example, I have many friends, or there are few apples left. On the other hand, much and little are used with uncountable nouns, such as there's not much water left, or I have little time. Remember, few and little suggest a negative meaning, as if it's not enough. On the other hand, many and much do not have such negative connotations. Now, let's put this into practice with some quizzes and tests. It's one thing to know the theory, but applying it will really boost your learning. 1. Fill in the blanks. I don't have blank friends in this city. There is blank milk left in the fridge. There are blank dogs in the park. He has blank patience for mistakes. In the first sentence, we're talking about friends, countable noun, so the correct answer is many. The second sentence refers to milk, uncountable noun, so we use much. In the third sentence, dogs are countable, so we use many. And in the last sentence, patience is uncountable, so the correct answer is little. Choose the correct option. Do you have blank, many, much, time to help me? I have blank, few, little, doubts about this project. There are blank, many, much, people at the concert. He drinks blank, few, little, coffee. In the first sentence, time is uncountable, so much is the correct choice. The second sentence involves doubts, countable, so few is the answer. The third sentence has people, countable, so we use many. And in the last sentence, coffee is uncountable, so the correct choice is little. Well done, everyone. Today we revisited the usage of many, much, few, and little, and then put it to the test with some quizzes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to rewind and revisit these exercises until you're confident with these quantifiers. Keep up the great work, and stay tuned for more videos on grammar fundamentals. Until next time, happy learning!